Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this absolutely stunning Audi S5 Sportback Black Edition we've currently got for sale, finished in Quantum Grey. It's got that 3-litre TDI diesel engine producing 341 PS. And of course that brilliant quattro all-wheel drive system on board as well. You'll have peace of mind motoring with this vehicle as well, with a full Audi service history, including a recent brake fluid change. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from those LED headlamps, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You've also got these beautiful 20-inch 5 twin-spoke polygon alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors, and privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. There's a huge amount of boot space on offer as well, with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. You'll have ease of access with the electric tailgate, which you can also open with the key fob. Moving inside the vehicle, you've got this gorgeous Magma red upholstery, giving a nice luxurious feel. Your rear passengers have also got their own temperature control and a couple of power outlets. Moving to the front is the leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and also an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. You've also got full electric adjustment for the driver's seat, including a massage function. The car also benefits from the optionally fitted comfort and sound packs. You've got your fantastic Bang & Olufsen premium sound system with 3D sound. And just behind the wheel you've got that full digital display Audi cockpit. Alongside digital radio and your Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's multiple driver modes also available, including that dynamic setting for a more sporty drive, or your efficiency mode to help preserve some fuel. Got plenty of adjustment in the seat. As you can see, you've got your different massage functions there to keep you nice and comfortable, especially on those longer journeys. You've also got some of the latest safety systems on board to help keep you and the family safe on the road at all times. You've got your background lighting as well, with a huge range of different colours to choose from to help brighten up the interior while driving at night. And to help with parking, as well as front and rear parking sensors, you've also got this brilliant 360 camera system to give you a view around the vehicle at all times, even whilst at low manoeuvring speeds. Moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats with 3 different settings, again to help keep you nice and comfortable during winter. There's also a little bit of storage below with another USB port there, so you can charge further devices, with your illuminated cup holders and your S5 badging just by the gear stick. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.